Good evening, everyone. Myself, Darshan GM. These are my teammates, Prajwal Siddharth SP and Siddharth and Jeevan LR. We are make a project about flood monitoring system using IoT. Flood monitoring system detects the overflow of water. These are the IoT components. This is Arduino Uno, and next one is water level sensor. This is a water level sensor, and it shows the water level. And next one is LED light. This is this is LED light. This indicates three colors. First one is blue, green, blue, and red. Green indicates it no water, and blue indicates average of water, average of filling water, and red indicates full of water. And buzzer, and this is a buzzer. It indicates overflow of water. It's sirens like buzzer. And next one is jumper wire. This is jumper wire we are using male to male or male to male and female to male. And next circuit diagram will be explained by Jeevan.
Hello everyone, I am Jeevan Nella. Today I am talking about the project flood monitoring system. I am explain about the circuit diagram of the flood monitoring system. This circuit is used to monitor the water level in a tank. When the level rises, the sensor detects it and sends the data to the Arduino. The Arduino then displays the level on the LCD screen and also activates an LED or buzzer when the tank is full. The main components we used Arduino Uno, water level sensor, LED indicator, buzzer and connecting wires and resistors. Water level sensor, the red water level sensor was 3 pins VCC, GND and AVO signal. It detects how much water is reaching the sensor strips. This changing the water connector gives the variable analog voltage. This voltage goes to Arduino analog input pin. Arduino Uno reads the analog values from the sensor based on the values. Arduino decides. Then it sends command to the LCD and buzzer. LCD LED indicator, the LED glows when water reaches a certain level. It is connected through a resistor to protect it from high current. The buzzer beeps when the tank is full. It warns the user to turn off the motor and avoid overflow.
The Arduino power is either powered by USB or 12, 11, 9 to 12 watt adapter. It distributes 5 volt to all components like sensors, LED, buzzer, and LCD display. First, we have to connect Arduino to the water level sensor. The sensor VCC of is connected to the Arduino 5 volt. This supplies power 5 volts to the water level sensor. Without this, the sensor won't measure the water value. Next, the sensor is connected to the ground of Arduino ground, completes the electrical circuit, and all modules must share the same ground. Next, the sensor signal pin to Arduino A0. This sends the analog water level value to the Arduino. As water level increases, the sensor sends analog reading. Next, we have to connect Arduino to the LED connections. The LED has two legs, long leg has anode and short leg has cathode. First, LED anode. Arduino, we are connecting to the Arduino digital pin 8. Arduino controls on and off mechanism of the LED. LED turns on when the water is high. Next, we are connecting to the LED cathode of 220 volt resistor to the ground. The resistor protects LED from excess current. The ground completes the LED circuit. Next, the buzzer connection. The buzzer positive will be connected to the Arduino digital pin 9. Arduino sends I signal to activate buzzer. Next, the buzzer negative minus is connected to the ground. That completes the buzzer circuit. Buzzer beeps when the tank is full or overflowing. The water sensor sends analog use values to A0. Arduino reads the water height and the LED display shows low, medium, high, full, and LED turns on when tank reaches when tank level reaches a warning point. Buzzer starts when tank is full. Thank you.